Furniture protection film is a highly specialized type of plastic sheeting that is applied to the surface of furniture, walls, floors, and appliances to protect them from scratches, scuffs, dust, dirt, UV rays, and more. It offers superior protection against wear and tear, while preserving the natural beauty of the surface it's protecting.
Furniture protection film does more than just safeguard. It also enhances the aesthetics of your surfaces. The film offers a clean, polished finish, making surfaces gleam with a newfound shine. Whether it's your kitchen countertops, wooden flooring, or stylish furniture, the protection film amplifies their natural beauty while ensuring they remain in top-notch condition. The end result is a home or office space that not only lasts but looks exceptionally pleasing to the eye. So, with furniture protection film, you're investing in both the longevity and the visual appeal of your cherished surfaces.
Investing in furniture protection film can significantly enhance the value of your belongings. When surfaces such as furniture, floors, and appliances are well maintained and free from blemishes, they invariably hold their value better. If you plan to resell or lease your property in the future, prospective buyer, furniture protection film is hence not just a tool for preservation, but also an investment in the long-term value of your belongings.
Furniture protection film is a valuable investment that can protect your surfaces from damage, increase their lifespan, make them easier to clean, increase their value, and give them a more polished look. If you're looking for a way to protect your surfaces and keep them looking their best, then furniture protection film is a great option for you.